How to hire a crypto marketing team. In the rapidly evolving world of cryptocurrencies, marketing plays a pivotal role in driving adoption, building brand awareness, and fostering trust among potential investors and users. As the crypto industry continues to expand, it becomes increasingly crucial for companies to assemble a competent and knowledgeable marketing team. This article aims to provide a detailed roadmap on how to hire a crypto marketing team that can effectively navigate the unique challenges and opportunities in this dynamic sector. Before diving into the hiring process, it is essential to gain a comprehensive understanding of the crypto marketing landscape. Familiarize yourself with the various marketing channels, strategies, and trends specific to the cryptocurrency industry. Stay updated on the latest regulations, market dynamics, and target audience preferences to make informed decisions during the hiring process. Clearly articulate your marketing objectives and goals to identify the specific skill sets and expertise required from potential team members. Whether it is increasing brand visibility, driving user acquisition, or launching successful ICO campaigns, having a well-defined roadmap will help you attract candidates who align with your vision. A successful crypto marketing team comprises individuals with diverse skill sets. Identify key roles such as marketing strategist, content creator, social media manager, community manager, SEO specialist, PR manager, and data analyst. Each role contributes to different aspects of marketing, ensuring a holistic approach to your marketing efforts. The crypto industry operates within a unique ecosystem, and it is crucial to hire individuals with a deep understanding of blockchain technology, cryptocurrencies, and the associated regulatory landscape. Look for candidates who have prior experience in the crypto industry or have demonstrated a keen interest and willingness to learn about this rapidly evolving field. Evaluate candidates' previous experience and track record in executing successful marketing campaigns within the crypto industry. Assess their ability to adapt to the fast-paced nature of the market, their understanding of target audiences, and their track record of achieving measurable results. Request case studies or references to validate their claims. Given the technical nature of the crypto industry, it is crucial to assess candidates' technical skills. Look for proficiency in blockchain technology, cryptocurrency exchanges, smart contracts, and familiarity with relevant tools and platforms. Technical expertise ensures effective communication with developers, auditors, and other technical stakeholders. Effective communication is vital for any marketing team. Assess candidates' communication skills, both written and verbal, to ensure they can effectively convey complex concepts in a clear and concise manner. Strong writing skills are essential for crafting engaging content, press releases, white papers, and other marketing materials. The crypto market is highly data-driven, and successful marketing campaigns require a deep understanding of analytics and data interpretation. Evaluate candidates' ability to leverage data analytics tools, interpret metrics, and make data-driven decisions to optimize marketing strategies and campaigns. Consider the cultural fit of potential team members within your organization. Assess their ability to work collaboratively, adapt to change, and contribute positively to the overall team dynamics. A cohesive and motivated team is crucial for achieving long-term marketing success. Once you have shortlisted candidates, conduct thorough interviews to assess their suitability for each role. Ask targeted questions to gauge their industry knowledge, problem-solving abilities, creativity, and passion for the crypto space. Consider involving key stakeholders or existing team members in the interview process to ensure a well-rounded evaluation. Consider supplementing your in-house team with freelancers or specialized marketing agencies. Freelancers can provide specific expertise on a project basis, while agencies can offer comprehensive marketing services tailored to the crypto industry. Ensure clear communication and expectations when working with external resources. The crypto industry is constantly evolving, and marketing strategies that worked yesterday may not be effective tomorrow. Encourage your marketing team to stay updated on industry trends, attend conferences, and participate in relevant communities. Foster a culture of continuous learning and adaptation to keep your marketing efforts ahead of the curve. Hiring a competent and knowledgeable crypto marketing team is a critical step in achieving marketing success in the dynamic world of cryptocurrencies. By understanding the unique challenges and opportunities of the crypto industry, defining clear objectives, and assessing candidates' skills and experience, you can assemble a team that can effectively navigate this rapidly evolving landscape. Remember, the right team will not only drive brand awareness and user acquisition but also contribute to building trust and credibility within the crypto community. Visit the link in the description below for more information.